Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Training Tuesday. Today we are going to do spin and drop it command. So spin is an easy command, and so we will do it first, followed by the drop it command, which is a little more difficult, but it is very important, because if you own a puppy or dog, sit, stay, stay, and if he gets eat it. If he gets hold of something that is harmful for him, or something that you don't want him to destroy, then this command is very useful. So let's get started, and make sure you watch till the end, because the drop it command is very important. So for spin training, we have to make sure that our puppy or dog is in the up position, that is, he is standing up, and we have to make him smell the treat, and when he gets to know that we have a treat, then we have to rotate our hand. And another important point is that we have to make sure that we make him spin in only one direction, otherwise he will get confused. We make Almond spin in the clockwise direction. So let's see how we will do the spin training. So Almond is already standing up. Okay, Almond. So, and we will not introduce the word at first. After he masters the action, then we will introduce the word. Almond is trying to do shake. Almond up. Almond is jumping. No, not sit. Almond up. Almond up. Yes, good boy. Yes, good boy. So you saw, he will try to do all the other things that he has learned, and then we have to then rotate our hand, and then he will understand. Aman? Yes, good boy. Yes, good boy. So like this, we will repeat the process one or two times until he is able to master the action. So Almond is already trained, that's why he is being able to do it. We have to first make sure that he masters the action, and after that only we will introduce the word. So now I will introduce the word. Aman, spin. Come. Aman has gone a little far, so he is not being able to. Aman, spin. Yes, good boy. Yes, good boy. So this is how we train our puppy or dog for spin training. So let me show you once again how we do the spin training. Aman, up. So first he will be in the stand position, then Aman, spin. Aman, spin once again. Yes, good boy. Yes, good boy. So like this, when he has mastered the action, then we can make him do it multiple times, but make sure that you keep doing it in one direction only, otherwise he will get confused. So now we will start with the drop it training. For drop it training, I can't give him something that he's not supposed to take, but I have to make sure that it is a thing that he likes to chew, or he will I can be sure that he will hold it, he will not let it go, otherwise I won't be able to show you the training. So Almond has already taken my slipper and he is holding it. He is in the mood to hold it, so I can show you. So for this we have to hold the thing that he has taken, and we have to we don't have to pull it. We should not pull the thing, otherwise he will think that he will think that we are playing tug of war. So he will keep pulling it even more, and he will not drop it. So we have to hold it firmly and make sure that he gets bored, and we don't want him to think that we are playing a game. So let's see how we will do the drop it training. Amand is playing with my slipper. He's not giving it to me. So I have to hold it. I hold it firm and not pull it. To wait when he will leave it. I have to wait when he will leave it. you saw there was a pause of 1 or 2 seconds, and he is again back to chewing my slipper. You saw there was a pause of 1 or 2 seconds, and we have to wait. When he will leave it, he will get bored. If we are holding it firmly, he will understand that we are not playing any game, and we want him to leave it. So he will get bored and frustrated, and so he will leave it, and we have to wait for the right moment, and at that time we have to praise him with a yes, and we have to give him the treat. So let's see once again how we will do it, and we have to repeat like all other trainings. We have to keep repeating it, and after he has been able to understand what we want him to do, we will introduce the word. So I will hold it firmly. We will keep pulling it, but we don't have to pull it. We have to just hold it in one place. Yes, good boy. Yes, good boy. Yes, good boy. So Amand has done it once again, and now we will introduce the word. But first he is holding the slipper. He has understood that I have treats, so he is already leaving it. So again he has taken the slipper, and he is again pulling it. So I have to hold it once again like this. I cannot move it. Yes, good boy. Yes, good boy. So he has mastered the action, and now I will introduce the word. For me it took 3 times because Amand is already trained, but if your puppy or dog is not being able to do it, and he keeps pulling the thing that he has taken, then you have to wait patiently. The patience and practice is very important, and after that only we will introduce the word. Aman? Okay, Aman, drop it. Aman, drop it. Yes, good boy. Yes, good boy. So Aman, I have also introduced the word now, and because Aman understood what we want him to do, so this is how we train our puppy or dog for drop it command. So that's all for today's training video. I hope you enjoyed it and found it useful. So bye from me and bye from Aman. Aman, say bye to everyone. Aman is biting me, so stop him. I will give him a treat. Yes, good boy. Yes, good boy. You performed nicely today.